Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling notifications in both WhatsApp and your phone system settings so messages can appear on screen. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Notifications. Toggle Message and Group Alerts on and pick a sound. Once done, go to your phone settings Notifications and allow WhatsApp to show on lock screen and as banners. This ensures alerts reach the display layer. You do this to let the app push content into the system notification tray immediately. Next, control how much content appears on screen by setting notification previews and pop-ups. In System Settings, choose Show Preview, always or when unlocked depending on privacy needs. This decides whether message text appears on the lock screen. In WhatsApp, enable pop-up notifications so messages briefly appear over whatever you're doing. Once done, set notification priority or heads up to allow banners to interrupt and be visible immediately. This helps you spot important messages without opening the app. Finish by removing blockers that stop notifications from showing on screen. You should disable Do Not Disturb or add WhatsApp as an exception so alerts aren't muted. Make sure battery saver or background restrictions don't prevent the app from delivering notifications. Keep background activity allowed. Test by sending yourself a message and watch the lock screen or banner. If you still don't see alerts, reboot the phone and recheck the notification permissions. This often resolves lingering delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.